I have been working on the edge. Well, on the blade, really. Straightening it out a bit and sharpening it up. Time for the 1-minute chopping test. Missing. So, I went in on the other baker this way and did this, and it was a nice clear area, quite thick. Didn't really immediately see another area that matched, so I thought, well, I'll just go in on the other side, see if I can finish up. But there was this massive knot here, so I'd say that the performance is definitely similar, considering I spent a good few seconds just whacking on this to see what would happen also to the edge on the knife. Anyway, I reckon we made it through. Ow! Bounced back and hit me on the hand. That's what you get for showing off on your YouTube channel. So, oh man. Yeah, so I kind of balanced the phone here on my tripod because habitually I've been putting it there on that shelf there, but then you would have the sun in your eyes, dear viewer. So we're just kind of precariously balancing this on the tripod. The edge, right. Looking good. We'll give it a little strop before we try shaving with it, huh? In fairness. Now I noticed that when I was doing the honing on this, on the Tourmac, which has a leather wheel with a compound, and it just goes around and around, and you can really work on your burr there. And I was like, where are all these hairs coming from? This thing looked like it was growing a beard, and it was just all the little wire burr coming off and trailing, you know, half an inch long there. So I don't know, but I take that as a good sign. Keeps getting in my food. I'll use scissors for that. Yeah. Felt some hairs landing on my hand. So, I did notice, I did an HRC test last night. Testing in the low 60s. You know, just around 60, 62, I guess. Something like that, maybe. And I had a good old squint at it, and it doesn't line up all that great. At least the blade with the bolster, with the finger guard there, bolster area. But it's rough finished could be an acronym for just unfinished, right? Not a finished knife. There for me to finish. So, you know, maybe you'd have to get another one of the finished ones to see how good they are in terms of everything. But I gotta say, this handle, I didn't even think about it just now. I forgot I was testing the handle, you know. I was just chopping. The handle's great then. No hot spots, no nothing, no fatigue. Very interesting shape. A nice study piece. A very tough blade. Some knife. Now, let me show you my chainsaw. Let me show you my chainsaw. It comes from a brand named Milwaukee. It's made from red plastic. It's really quite fantastic. Yes. Shilling with the best. Milwaukee fanboy. I bought my first one of these in around 2018. That one, actually, when I moved state, I left with a friend, and I got this one to replace it. I have other chainsaws. I even now have a steel electric chainsaw. It's fantastic. It's so nice, I don't even want to use it. But this thing is an absolute beater. It just chunders on. You never, half an hour trying to start the damn thing. Then you realize you didn't put gas in it. You know, you just press a button. Oh, I left the battery at home. Go back and 20 minutes later,